In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format your axis in Tableau. Let's start by launching the Tableau app. Once you've got Tableau open, the first thing you'll want to do is access your worksheet. This is where all your data visualizations come to life. Imagine it as the painter's canvas, ready for your creative touch. Now, we're going to explore the independent axis function. This function allows each axis to scale independently, giving you more flexibility. To begin, drag the order date to the columns and change it to show by month. Doing this helps in visualizing trends over time much clearer. Once you have that set, drag the subcategory and profit fields to the rows. This setup is crucial because it sets the stage for the analysis and formatting we're going to focus on today. The next step involves right-clicking on the axis, where you'll find the Edit Axis option. Selecting this will open up a window with all sorts of customization features. Now, under the Range section, select Independent Axis Ranges for each row or column. This action helps to ensure that each axis has its unique scale, making your graph easier to interpret. Moving forward, let's talk about including zero in your axes. Sometimes charts are more meaningful when they start from zero, as it provides a zero baseline for comparison. Drag the order date to the column shelf again, then drag the order ID to the rows, right-click on it, and under Measure, select Count. Once again, right-click on the axis and select Edit Axis. This time, you'll see an option labeled Include Zero. You can uncheck it if you decide showing zero isn't necessary for your analysis, providing a tight view of your data range. Now let's focus on tick marks, which are key for readability. Start by dragging the order date to columns and converting it to show by months again. Drag the profit to your rows as well. Right-click on your axis and choose Edit Axis, then go to the Tick Marks tab. Here, set your tick marks to fixed and input 2.5K as the interval. With these markers, your audience can easily grasp the data's increments and overall scale. We're almost done. Let's look at placing headers at the top of your chart. Drag Category to the columns and Sales to the rows, then go to the Analysis menu and select Table Layout. Click on Advanced, and there, you'll want to uncheck the vertical axis checkbox. This setting places your headers in a more prominent position. Finally, click Apply and then OK to save the layout changes. And there you have it. You've just learned how to format your axes in Tableau, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetics of your data visualization. Thank you for watching, and happy visualizing.